Nile to the highlands, the story flows. Ancient Kush still in our bones, carrying truth through the Gada flame. Abbaa Bokkuu still walks the same. Under the Abbaa, justice stands, with Bokkuu staff in his steady hands. Oromia soul, Africa's pride, we feel the ancestors by his side. Abbaa Bokkuu, voice of the people, from Kushite kings to Gada steeple. Black, red and white wave in the sky, you lead with truth, you never deny. Abbaa Bokkuu, guide of the strong, Waka bless your path all lifelong. Yes. He don't wear a crown but the people know. He's the river where the wisdom flows. No written throne, no golden ring, just the power of the people echoing. Ancient drums and the Oromo song, Gada lives and the roots are strong. Echoes of Kush, they call his name. Abbaa Bokkuu, the sacred flame. Abbaa Bokkuu, voice of the people, from Kushite kings to Gada steeple. Black, red and white wave in the sky, you lead with truth, you lift us high. Abbaa Bokkuu, guide us the strong, Waka bless your path all lifelong. From Nubian gold to Oromo coffee, Waka still walks with us proudly. Blessed are the roots, blessed are the ways, Kush lives on in the Gada days. The Abbaa Bokkuu